place we'll commonly encounter unit rates is as speeds. Now, when is a unit rate a speed? A unit rate is called a speed if the unit that we're dividing by is a unit of time, so hours, minutes, seconds, days, years, whatever. And sometimes when we're talking about a unit speed, we'll mention that it's an average speed. Not because we're adding a bunch of things up and dividing by how many, but because we're assuming that it's the same speed through the whole time, even though that might not make very much sense. So, for example, if we say that Jim drives 500 miles in 8 hours and ask what is his average speed, well, of course, we know that in reality, Jim is kind of speeding up and slowing down to keep up with traffic. But pretending that he drives the same speed the whole time, that's 500 miles per 8 hours equals, well, dividing to form a unit rate. 8 goes into 5, not at all. It goes into 50 6 times. 8 goes into 20 twice. And let's answer as a decimal just for fun. We'll add a 0.0. Decimal point in our answer is right above the decimal point in our dividend. 8 goes into 40 5 times. Nothing left. So that's 62.5 miles per hour. And we report this just like any other unit rate. First unit, the word per. Second unit. We can give unit speeds as decimals or fractions, whichever one we like. And if we're rounding, we'll just round to some appropriate place. I'm going to give you one of these to try. Suppose Janet runs 100 meters in 8 seconds. Give her average speed. Pause the video and try this now. All right. Well, the rate is 100 meters per 8 seconds. So, doing that division, 8 into 100. 8 goes into 10 one time. 8 goes into 20 twice. And this time I'm going to answer as a fraction because I'm sick of doing division. 12 and 4/8. These have a common factor of 4. So this will be 12 and a half. Her speed is 12 and a half meters per second.